So furnace inspections at PROtect, it seems very valuable, very important to the customer. Why would these customers need to do this, and why does this industry need a high-end camera like the G609 to do furnace inspections?
Cost. If we can effectively go out there, take quick images, get with the client, generate a report very fast, the client has an invaluable asset to know exactly what's going on in that heater, because these are extremely expensive. If downtime is extremely expensive.
Outside of using a furnace camera, how else do these companies, how do they analyze the inside of a furnace to know when something's wrong, or how have they done it in the past?
There's some radiometric tools they use that are point and shoot. They have gas issues, they can't see through gas. Some of the other companies use a probe that goes in actually into the furnace. Thermal indicators, which I'll tell you, a good thermal indicator lasts about 30 months. Temperatures wander, but then you have contact measurements, you have different areas. There could be, obviously this camera's got over 307,000 pixels, so each individual pixel has a different measurement on there, which is by far higher quality than anything out there.
Why does that matter, and how does the camera help in that?
A lot of customers have flame impingement problems where the actual flames are, what they call it, licking the tubes. It's something that the camera obviously doesn't see, but the flame absorption that the filter has, if you switch the color palette to a rainbow high contrast, you can actually see the flame pattern on the back on the refractory on most of these. So you can tell actually how high the flame is going, how it's actually hitting where some places inside there, or if you have a burner out, you can tell the client in there, hey, you're missing this burner, because you have side fire burners, bottom fire burners, and a lot of these companies have very old furnaces and old furnace designs. So showing them the ability to see that, they can get with their operations department and they can adjust these burners to make their heaters more efficient.